So you want to know how to recover TikTok account if you forgot your username? Here's how you can do it under a minute. So first things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and head to this site right here, which is going to be tiktok.com/legal/report/feedback. So tiktok.com/legal/report/feedback and search for that. Once you do it, you're going to be on this page where you want to simply go ahead and select your account, and then you want to simply go ahead and choose your problem, so which is going to be account access and security. Simply go ahead and click on login issue right over here. You can simply go ahead and fill out all these problems right over here, and then you will be able to go ahead and reset it. You can also go ahead and click on hacked account and proceed with this as well. When it comes to username, just write whatever you remember. So whatever you remember, okay? It should not be the exact one. You can just have any of it. The thing that matters the most is your email. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll